Hello Pancake people, thank you so much for tuning in to this home tutorial. We're going to go through the steps to cook our gel fork home batter. I want to start by thanking everybody who has purchased and supported our small little business. And hopefully the batter is in your home already. First off, you want to start by setting the temperature. We recommend medium temperature, but every kitchen is different, so just find your setting. I'm going to start by lightly coating your skillet. We use vegetable oil here. How to get those pancakes in there? I'll grab a good sized tablespoon. Just lightly lay it in. As you might notice, the pancake batter is not your typical pancake batter. It's more a hybrid between a biscuit and a pancake batter. So you want to let it sit and let it rise naturally. You don't want to squish it down in any way. I'm going to let these guys cook and I'll check back with you guys in a second. We're back. We had the pancakes cooked for about 6 minutes. You want to take a look at them. As you look at the pancake, you want to make sure you see that there's a little change in the actual structure of the batter. That's the batter actually cooking. And as you sneak underneath here, you can see that we have this golden, beautiful golden color. So it's time to flip them. You can now see the batter is kind of getting that nice rise. Let it do that. You don't want to push it down in any way. I'm officially done with my batter. So when I'm going to store it away, you want to take a little bit of plastic fork. You want to make sure that you cover the batter so it's airtight. If you're going to use the batter tomorrow or the second day, just put it in the fridge. If you want to store it for longer, you can put it in the freezer. The pancakes have now been in the skillet for a total of 10 minutes and they're done. If you come over here, you can see that they have a full cook on the side. There's no dough anymore. And you can see that we have a nice color on both sides. Gel fork pancake. Let's take a look inside. Go. Fluffy pancakes, got those nooks and crannies, got a nice little crust, golden crust on both sides. Guaranteed winner. So when you cook at home, make sure to be creative and share your ideas with us. Maybe you'll be featured on Gel Fork.